Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a task within a project or team in the Toggl Track time tracking application. So let us begin. Head over to your account on Toggl Track, for example through the desktop app of Toggl Track, log into your account, select your workspace/organization in the top left corner. Next, what you want to do is click into projects here on the left hand side. And from there, select the given project. What you want to do after that is skip to or switch to tasks here. And as you can see, I just created a project, so there are no tasks yet inside the project. To add one, what you want to do is click into add task here and then give it a name like example task 1 or something like that, was like this. Press enter. And that is going to create the task. Now, what you want to do is left click into it, mark it as done, for example. You can, for example, also assign team members, for example, anyone from your project or users who have been invited to your project, or from your team. You can also go through that list and invite specific members and mark it as done here at the top, for example, and that is going to add the strike through to the task. That's one way how you can add tasks inside a project. There's also the option to add tasks to your calendar or to the time tracker. To do that, navigate to timer here on the left hand side, navigate to the given week or day, and as you can see, I added a task like this here, and you can assign these also to projects. So click into the time slot. Let me go with June 11th. Left click into it, describe it here like I don't know, create or make thumbnails or something like that for YouTube videos, just for the sake of this tutorial. And then you may assign a project here, and from that menu here choose, for example, the start date, and you can postpone it, for example, to another date. You can also change the time of the day. For example, if it's, I don't know, 2:30, then the given task will be moved to that time slot, as you can see. And that's basically it. So let me change also the end date here, 3:30. Click into add here, and that is going to add the task, as you can see. Now, you can move it, for example, to another time slot, and also click into it to gain access to its details, and then, for instance, save these edits, change these edits, copy the time entry, click into these three dots here to go to the given project you have assigned it to, delete the given task, and so on and so forth, guys. So you can do this through the calendar view or through the list view, timesheet. And that's the two ways how you can create tasks inside Toggl Track. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.